Hello and welcome. My name is Rana and you're watching Selldone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect FAQ page for your store. So let's get started. To add a dedicated page as FAQ, I choose Setting and then Menu. In the footer section, I add FAQ. To create this page, I click on Customer and then FAQ. Now I write the questions, answers, and then the related tags. I wrote all of this in a Word Office file previously, thus copy and paste them in here. In the link section, you can also add a guide or an article. The priority section shows the importance of each question. On this ground, 10 is the most important one. Now click on Save to create the first question and answer. I refresh the store and click on FAQ from the footer down the page. Here your users can ask their questions. As an example, I ask one question about the retail returns. To answer this question, I press the Customer section and click on FAQ. Then I type the answer to each question raised by the users in the unanswered list. Finally, I refresh the FAQ page. Finally, at these places, you can ask and find answers to your questions. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.